In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to publish your Shopify store. Launching your store is an exciting step because it officially makes your website visible to customers around the world. So let's get started. First, open your browser and head over to the Shopify website. Log in to your Shopify account using your email address and password. Once you're inside your Shopify admin dashboard, look at the left side menu and click on Online Store. Next, select Preferences. This section contains important settings related to your store visibility and online access. Now scroll down until you find the Password Protection section. During setup, Shopify often keeps your store password protected, so only you can view it. To publish your store publicly, uncheck the option that says Restrict access to visitors with the password or remove the storefront password completely. After removing the password protection, click Save to apply the changes. Next, return to the Themes section under Online Store and make sure your desired theme is published and active on your store. Before launching, it's a good idea to quickly review your products, navigation menus, payment settings, shipping setup, and important pages like Contact Us and Refund Policy. You should also test your store on both desktop and mobile devices to make sure everything works correctly for customers. Once everything looks good, your Shopify store is officially live and accessible to the public. Now, customers can visit your website, browse products, and place orders online. And that's it. You've successfully published your Shopify store. Thanks for watching.